Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable nonverbal feedback in Zoom. First you're going to open Zoom. Then go to your settings by clicking either on the settings icon or going to profile picture and going to settings. After that, click on view more settings. It will automatically open it in your browser. You can X this out for now. Then go to the in-meeting basics section. Scroll down a little bit. When you find nonverbal feedback, turn it on. Now let's test if it works. I'm going to start a meeting. Then I'm going to go to the Participants tab. And it shows me these options, which are yes, no, go slower, go faster, and then there's more, which has thumbs up, thumbs down, clap, need a break, and away. And there's also clear all, which only shows for the host, meaning that it will delete all of the nonverbal feedback that any participant has submitted. You can only use one nonverbal feedback at a time. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.